Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about design, video editing, or digital creativity, today's video is going to be super helpful for you. I'm reviewing the Become an Adobe Creative Cloud Expert course on Fiverr. Adobe Creative Cloud is the gold standard for creatives, and I wanted to dive into this Fiverr course to see if it really delivers what it promises. Let's get started. So, Adobe Creative Cloud is a powerful suite that includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and more. But mastering these tools can be a bit overwhelming, right? That's why courses like this can be super valuable if they're well structured. Let's break it down. The course is divided into bite-sized modules, making it easy to follow. Each module focuses on one key Adobe software tool. It's perfect if you're a beginner looking to learn the basics, but it also offers advanced tips and tricks for experienced users. You'll start with Photoshop, moving on to Illustrator, and then tackle video editing with Premiere Pro and After Effects. What's great is that the course doesn't just teach you how to use the tools, it shows you how to apply them in real-world projects. For instance, you'll create digital art, edit professional-level videos, and design sleek logos. Let's talk about the instructor. Honestly, I was impressed. The tutor's teaching style is very clear and to the point. They guide you step by step without overwhelming you with technical jargon. The language is easy to understand, and they use real-life examples to help you grasp complex concepts quickly. One thing I really loved about this Fiverr course is that it's hands-on. You aren't just watching videos, you're actively creating projects. For example, I was able to design this logo and create this awesome video edit within a week of taking the course. The course provides downloadable assets and guides, so you can practice as you go. It really helped me build my portfolio and get comfortable using Adobe's tools. I found myself following along with the tutorials, and I could complete design tasks confidently, even with little prior knowledge of the software. The course provides downloadable assets and guides, so you can practice as you go. It really helped me build my portfolio and get comfortable using Adobe's tools. Now, who is this course for? Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, content creator, or social media manager, this course has something for everyone. If you're a total beginner, you'll love how it breaks things down step by step. But even if you're already familiar with Adobe Creative Cloud, the advanced tips will help you level up your skills. Let's talk about pricing. For a Fiverr course, it's incredibly affordable compared to what you'd pay elsewhere for Adobe tutorials. Plus, the lifetime access means you can refer back to it anytime. If you want to boost your creative skills and potentially earn money freelancing or working in design, this course is a great investment. So, what's my final verdict? The Become an Adobe Creative Cloud Expert course on Fiverr is worth every penny. It's well structured, easy to follow, and packed with practical, hands-on projects. Whether you want to start a freelance career, get into creative marketing, or just enhance your skills, this course will help you reach that goal. If you've been thinking about mastering Adobe Creative Cloud, stop waiting. Check out this course, and I promise you'll see a difference in your creative abilities in no time. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, tutorials, and tips. And if you decide to take the course, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.